Hello, welcome to the last edition of our Art Deco project. So you should have a paper cut out with holes, and then your drawing. You might have some color on them. Hopefully the parts that you don't have color on are these white spots here. We are now ready to add the color. You're gonna need to hold this down and make sure it stays in place. If you want to, you can add tape to the sides. I'm not going to do that for this video, but you absolutely may. Now, if you wanna add two colors in the same spot, you're gonna dip a sponge in one spot like this, and then you're just going to go on top. Now don't worry if it goes on the edge, because that's why we made it like this. It's gonna go only in the area, so it's not like you're trying to color actually in the area that you have drawn out. But you wanna pick a color next to it on the color wheel. Now black is a neutral color, you can mix that with anything, but think about Roy G. Biv, all right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Make sure when you're mixing a color with it, you want it to be next to it on the color wheel. So actually, you could pick purple or blue. So I'm gonna pick blue. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. You're just gonna dip a little edge of the sponge in, and then you can actually pop that on top of the last part that you did. And you're going to just tap in the whole area. And like I said, the reason why we have this is you don't have to worry about it going over. Maybe I'll pick another spot. I'll do another spot. Let's do like a green yellow fade. So I'm gonna do green, and then I'm gonna do yellow. And remember, yellow is really weak and green is really strong. So remember, it already actually has this yellow is kind of contaminated. This is why I like us to be careful when you're picking different colors. So it's kind of like whitish. Let me see if I can get some better yellow. No, it's still contaminated, but that's okay. It still looks cool. Let's see, what other colors would I like to try? How about red? How about if I do a little bit of red? Okay. I'll make this one red. And the smaller spots, you really won't be able to do like two different colors. Some of the smaller spots, I'll make this one red too. Maybe I'll do a couple more. And then, like I said, black is what's called a shade color. We also have white. I don't have white out right now, but black will make it dark. And maybe I'll use, how about if I do a fade with a blue and then a black? So I'll make it like a darker fade on the one side. You guys can choose what colors you want to pick to put in whatever area. So I'm going to try this yellow again. This time I'm going to try it with a little bit of orange. I know that has a little bit of green in it. Maybe I shouldn't do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. Why not? So it's like a yellow-orange fade. It's not too bad. And you can't really see it yet. When I pull this off, I've got two more to do. Why don't I do the last two? Purple. Let's do purple again. I'll just do this one all purple. And you just tap it on there like that, and you don't need a lot. You're not dunking it. It's not a Dunkin' Donut. The more you get, the probably worse it's gonna come out. And like I said, it's okay if you go over. So now when I pull it off, watch this. Boom, you got color in only the areas that you have cut out. The rest of it, you need to color in using markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything you like. But you are gonna need to be careful of these wet areas. You don't wanna smear your arm in it, your hand in it. I really hope you enjoy this project. You guys are doing a great job so far. So I am looking forward to seeing all of these awesome results on our Art Deco project. Have a great day.